Okay, I got you.
Okay, that's what he told me. So, okay, I'll just go south and get my steering put off.
Yes, ma'am. See if we can get this thing pop in neutral. If it starts, it'd be even better. Should be beautiful.